So in this video, I'm going to show you what it means when a pattern says FLO or BLO. Now when it says FLO, it means front loop only. So if we look at a typical crochet stitch, can you see it's got like a V there? Those are the two arms of the stitch. Now the one closest to you, that's called the front loop, and the one furthest away from you, that one's called the back loop. So front loop only and back loop only. So when you've got a front loop only, that just means you put the hook into the front loop only there, and then you just carry on as you would for a normal single crochet. Now when the pattern says BLO, that's back loop only, you look at your stitch and you go to the loop furthest away from you. That's that one at the back. So there, and you just put the hook in and then do a single crochet as you would normally. And that is FLO and BLO explained.